Hi everyone, time for a quick vocabulary lesson on the difference between invert and evert. Pay attention, native speakers. A lot of us don't actually know the difference between these two words either. These words are similar, but they're not exactly the same. To invert means to change something to an opposite position. It can mean several different things. When you invert something, you can change it back to front, you can change it to upside down, or you can change it inside out. To avert something is different. It only means to change something inside out. To demonstrate the difference, I will use this superhero. If I want to invert this superhero, I can change him back to front.
I'm back to front man.
Or I can change him upside down.
I'm upside down man.
Or I can change him inside out. All of these are ways I can invert this superhero. But if I was to evert this superhero, that would mean I would only change him inside out. So, to sum up, invert is more general in its meaning. There are several different ways that you can invert something. Evert, on the other hand, is more specific in its meaning. There is only one way you can avert something. So in this next clip, tell me what the fog is doing. Is it inverting or everting The Simpsons? Or both?
You're back with your family now where there's nothing to be afraid of. Except that fog that turns people inside out.
Uh-oh, it's seeping in. Stupid cheap weather stripping.
So, what kind of things can you invert and what kind of things can you evert? Give me some examples in the comments below.
Inside Out Boy. He's got what it takes to impress a girl.
Guts.